3 years ago, Minot police announced the arrest of Nicole Rice for murder in the 2007 killing of Anita Knutson. That case had gone cold for 15 years. But the next 3 years would provide plenty of twists and turns in the courtroom. Here's my report on how we got from March of 2022 to today. Nicole Rice made her initial court appearance on the murder charge in March of 2022. After that, in North Dakota, suspects typically appear for what's known as a preliminary hearing before they're arraigned. At this hearing, the state has to prove there's enough evidence to move forward with the case. Rice's hearing wouldn't take place until almost 6 months later, in September of 2022. Judge Richard Hager ultimately ruled there was enough evidence to move forward, and Rice pleaded not guilty. In the months after, the defense would call into question testimony at the preliminary hearing from a Minot police detective regarding DNA samples taken from the murder weapon and whether Rice's DNA could be excluded. The defense calling for the charge to be dismissed, citing a lack of probable cause, but Judge Hager declined. State prosecutors would later request a gag order on the defense after reports of a survey circulating on social media asking people questions regarding their knowledge of the case. The defense admitting to using that survey to see whether Rice could get a fair trial in Ward County. Judge Hager ordering the survey be taken down. Ultimately, though, the state and defense agreed the case had to be moved out of Ward County following the results of a standard questionnaire, and the trial was moved to Grand Forks in January of 2025. In late 2024, it was revealed Philip Becker, the lead attorney for the defense, was leaving Sand Law Firm, prompting the defense to ask for more time to coordinate with new attorneys. The judge agreed to push the trial back 2 more months, getting to where we are in March of 2025. Now, the state could call 24 witnesses, and the defense will have witnesses of its own, including a former FBI agent who runs a private investigative firm as an expert. Now, Rice is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Jury selection is set to begin Monday in Grand Forks, and we'll be bringing you coverage and live updates.